Hi everyone, this is Kathy with Franklin Natural Beauty, and my daughter Kelsey is right behind the camera again. There she is. Hi Kelsey.
Hi!
So today we're making our sugar plum soap. This is our third and probably last of the holiday soaps. And we're using Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy from Nature's Garden. And Kelsey, can you tell me what's in here? What does it smell like? It to me smells really beautiful and fruity. But I'm not sure what the tones are in there. They look like citrusy a little bit. What do you think? What was the description in there? It's a beautiful fragrance. It smells so beautiful. Well, Kelsey's gonna look for that. I'm gonna show you guys my cute little sugar plums. And they are sparkly. So what's in there, Kels?
Okay, so what's in this fragrance oil are top notes of plum, black cherries, strawberries, mandarin, and orange, middle notes of black pepper, clove, and cinnamon, and base notes of sandalwood and eucalyptus.
Yes, it smells beautiful and fruity and very festive. And another thing, in another note, I want to thank everybody who's watching us. We appreciate every one of you. And it helps our little channels a lot. If you're new over here on our channel, welcome. And if you are already one of our subscribers and you're watching us again, thank you so much for doing that. You could have watched anybody else, but you're watching us. Thank you. Alright, so let's go and start with the soap in here. What I have in here, I modified my recipe a little bit because I didn't have enough palm oil, so I wanted to do a little bit of a change there because we're restocking our soaps too, and we're going to run out a little bit of palm oil. We're waiting for a shipment to come in. So what we have in here, we have a little bit of palm oil, almond oil, and castor oil, coconut oil, and olive oil, and shea butter. Shea butter is beautiful. It's beautiful butter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to melt all this beautiful stuff with the lye here, so the lye solution. And we're going to do it now. And the lye solution in this is also 5%. Alright, so let's go and do this. And the lye solution, I think it's 185 right now. So it's pretty hot. And it's going to melt the shea butter, the coconut oil, and my solid palm oil there. Solidified palm oil. Okay, one thing that I don't like about shea butter is that it's this one that we use is all natural and organic. It sometimes has a little things in there, little bits of dark stuff in there, but it's because it's natural. So I'm going to melt this really fast, and then I'll come back and I'll show you my other stuff, what we're putting in here. Okay guys, so we're back. Our oil's all melted, and we're going to put our our liquid oils in here right now. There we go. And what I have for colorants, I have two purples. We're going to have a very kind of a dark purple. They're more like the color of the plums. And in the middle is going to be a lighter purple, and I'm going to put some shredded soap in there. It's going to be kind of like confetti. And I'm going to show you in a second here. As soon as I'm done here, I'm going to show you guys. There we go. Okay, so the middle part's going to have this Queen for a Day mica from Nurture Soap, right?
Yep.
And what I'm going to do, I'm going to lighten it up with a little bit of titanium dioxide with this one over here. And This one over here has purple mica and a little bit of the Queen for a Day mica, and also some black oxide, right?
Black iron oxide.
Black iron oxide in there. Alright, so I put in here some of the base oils, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put, the whatever we have in here, I'm going to split it in those two little tubs. Okay, so, and I'm going to have some white too. And we're going to do some piping on top, and in here I'm going to put a little bit of coconut milk too. Alright, so let's blend this a little bit. And I'm not going to show you how I blend this, because you've been seeing, you saw this so many times. So you know what I'm doing here. Just going to blend it, and we're going to see if we can get it to a light trace, and then we're going to split it. Okay, so I finished blending this as a very light trace, and I'm going to put my coconut milk in there. It's nice and very thick, and it's very creamy, and it gives a really nice feel to the soap too. I love putting this in my soap. It's beautiful stuff. If you make soap and cold process soap, and you want to use some of the additive like this, I usually do like a little bit, like 2 to 3% of the stuff. It depends what I'm doing, what kind of batter I'm doing, because I really like the feel. Don't put too much additives, because then it's gonna be kind of weird. Sometimes it doesn't saponify it right. So you need to know how to do it right. Okay, so we're gonna put this in. I'm gonna blend it for just a sec. Okay guys, so I'm going to put this in now, a very small thing of this, not a lot of it. I'm going to try to break the fall. Doesn't have to be perfectly flat, because I want it to look like a cake almost. That's why I put the shavings in there for texture. I'll put all of it in here. Sorry, I'm right-handed, so I'm kind of blocking that with my picture here. Okay. We're gonna do this, clean up a little bit. And I'm going to smack him down a little bit. I'm going to try to make it a little bit even here. A little bit like, you know, not even, but more like we don't want more on one side and more on the other side, so kind of like more even in the mold, so we have the same quantity everywhere. Alright, I'm going to clean up a little bit and I'm going to do the other layer. Alright, so we're ready for the next layer. Almost done here. Almost there. I'm going to put all the layers in there. All the soap in there. Sorry again. I gotta do this way, but I'm right-handed and really hard for me to do it with my left hand. Sometimes I'm like, I don't know why I have a left hand. But here we are, almost done with the layering. And then I'm going to prepare my clean up again, because I'm messy over here, making a mess. Okay guys, I'm done with this one. Now we're gonna prepare our piping with the stuff that I reserved before. I'm gonna use it for piping, okay? Alright, so I decided I'm going to put a little bit of sugar sprinkles on them, on this beautiful piping, and then we're going to put the sugar plums on it too. I'm going to spray with 91% alcohol. Put them on the sides because the top is gonna have the plums. Well, I think that's enough. Now I'm gonna put my little plums on it. May have to clean up a little bit of those bowls there. Okay guys, there it is. I'm going to show you close up in a little bit so you can see what it looks like really close. Okay guys, that's what it looks like really up close. So we're going to let this rest for a day or two, and we're going to come back and we're going to cut it and see what it looks like inside. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hello everyone, we're back. And here it is, our sugar plum soap. And it looks like a tart, doesn't it? Like one of those, what do you call it, Kelsey? Like dessert tart?
Yeah.
And that looks like ice cream or something. That's what it reminds me of. Here it is. So this is what it looks, the loaf. That's what it looks like. I just molded. It's a little bit soft, just a teeny bit, a little bit soft. Okay, so let's go and cut it. Let's see what's going on inside. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Oops, I think I moved this a little bit. Oopsie. Oh, the first slice is going to be kind of weird. Alright. Ooh, look at that. It looks like a sweet tart or something like that. You can see the little things in there. Supposed to be like a cream, you know, cream cheese or something like that. What do you think, Kels?
It looks good.
And I think I forgot to do something. So I'm not sure if we're gonna do another holiday soap because it's too late now. But we're gonna do like a winter themed one, and we're gonna use this fragrance oil that we got from where did we get it from, Kelsey? The one, the Wise Man? No, what is it called?
Three Wise Men.
Yeah, where did we get that one from?
We got it from Nurture Soap.
Yeah, and it smells really nice, so I think I'm going to use that one. And it's probably going to be more like a winter soap, not like a holiday themed, you know, because it's probably going to be ready pretty close to Christmas, and, you know, there's not a lot of time. So we're going to do a winter one.
Oh, you know what this also reminds me of? It reminds me of one of those Japanese cakes.
Oh.
Yeah, the loaf cakes.
Yeah, the loaf cakes, yeah. And there you have it. This is our third Christmas soap, holiday soap, our plum soap. Here, sugar plum soap. That's the name we decided to go with. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, and please like and subscribe. And if you're a subscriber and you didn't click on the bell yet, to do, because every time we post a new video you will be notified. So thank you so much, and you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.